Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and then in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a race car. And then this is the circuit which is used to make the race car. This is an online and this is the real one. I'll show you how to make both of the things, and first let me show you how does this circuit work. So I've connected two push buttons, two motors, and one battery. So when I click the first one, the first motor starts working, and then when I click the second one, the second motor starts working. So this is what we are going to do in this class, and then let me show you the real one, how I've done it. So first I've taken a battery which has four cells. So you can see it here. I've put four cells inside this, and then I've connected to the win board near the push button here. And the next one, I have connected the right motor to RM here, over here, and then the left motor over here to LM. And then next, I've taken two jumper wires like this one, and then connected it positive from VCC positive to RM1, which is 33. Okay. Wait a second. Yes. And then the next one, which is from VCC positive to LM1, which is 35. So now when I switch on the battery, now you can see that it's making some sort of sound. When I fix the wheels, yes. Yes. Now if I move this left wheel forward, it will move forward. And then when I move the right wheel one also, both are moving forward. You can see it here. So you can see that both the motors are working. Now let me stop it. Now if I just move the left one, if you place this on a table and check it out, that if only the left wheel spins, the car will move towards right, because this wheel won't move, so it will stay on the place where it is, and then this will start going like this. And then if you stop this one and then start this one, so this will be on the same place and this will start going like this. Okay. Now, the even I'll tell you the application of motors. So we use motors in fans, and then cooling fans, or even cars, electric cars, everything. So now, so you can see that the car is moving forward when both the wheels are spinning. So if both the wheels are spinning forward direction, it will move forward. When one wheel stops and another wheel spins, it will go towards the opposite direction. Meaning, if left wheel is spinning and right wheel is stopped, it will go towards right direction. And when left stops, right starts, so this will go towards left direction. So now in today's video, even I'm going to show you how to make the car go in reverse. So remove the connections which you have done to RM1 and LM1, and then put it to RM2, which is 34, and LM2, which is 36. Now you can see that if I start moving it in reverse, wait a second. Hmm. Okay, now let us try reverse. Hmm. Okay, you can see that the wheels started moving towards reverse direction. So when I stop this, it goes towards left from backwards like this. So when it is in forward direction, it used to go like this. Now it's in reverse direction like this. So when I stop this and start the left one, it will move in reverse direction to the right in reverse like this. So that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share my channel.